Managing the development and life cycle of a pharmaceutical product can be beyond time-consuming, beyond costly, and beyond complex. Cencora PharmaLex enlightens with trusted expertise and empowers with cutting-edge technology. We ensure healthier business decisions with specialized services that are adapted to fit your needs, scalable, yet approachable and innovative. Our services extend beyond market approval to include product maintenance and post-launch activities, both at a local and global level. Cencora PharmaLex, beyond knowledgeable, beyond flexible, beyond innovative, beyond trusted, and with over 90% of business from satisfied repeat customers, beyond proven. Let's take your business above and beyond.